life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh.
I don't even know why I'm doing this video right now, a morning routine, because these videos make me cringe. Like, they literally, I was like, I would never do that. It's so like weird, like the whole, oh my god. I'm doing this for you guys. I hope you guys know I love you. So this is the ABA Stick Foundation. I use it for work because it's so easy, and in the mornings I love easy because I don't even want to be going in the first place, going anywhere. So I do the bare minimum. Yeah, and it's, I don't know if you guys can see that well, but the color match is pretty good as well. So I don't have to be worried about my foundation not matching, not that anyone cares. Then after that, I just do a little concealing. This is my Eyebrow Pro Concealer. I just do a little bit under my eyes. I love that I place my desk here because the sun just hits me in the morning and it just really wakes me up. Like, really, really wakes me up. This is like the best idea I've had all year. So for my sponge, using this beautiful one here. It's so cute. This is from Target. I think it's the Sonia Kashuk brush. I'm trying to rush because I'm also kind of late and I'm filming as well, which slows me down because I have to stop to bring you guys. It's no problem. I love you guys, but you know, it's kind of like slows me down, and I have to make breakfast because I like to eat breakfast in the morning. I'm just one of those people. I cannot function without breakfast. Even though I may eat like a very light one, I still have to put something in my stomach. So I'm trying out my new Fenty Beauty powder here. I just got this, but let me just see how this works. It's very like loose and like small speckles, which is good. It's very fine, so it's like, kind of just set this under my eye. Ooh, I love it. Oh, it feels so good. My eyebrow routine has definitely changed. I use a brow tint now, and it's so much easier to work with. So much easier to work with. So I basically just leave my brows how they are, ratchet and just spraggly. And I just grab the brow tint and I just like repeatedly just comb, like in the direction that they naturally fall in. And in this area, I kind of gently just go upwards, kind of. And then that's what they would kind of look like, kind of like hairs, which is so funny to me. I just take another spoolie and kind of like comb them out a little bit more. Just to make sure they're not like, you know, like so. Then I go in with a concealer to clean them up, and I just basically outline them. Then I just blend them out. And to finish things off, I'm just gonna spray with my setting spray. So on to the hair, I'm going to be clipping in my extensions from Better Length. And I've been storing my clip-ins in this little bag here. I got this on Amazon. I'm on to the final track now. This is kind of like where it's looking, like how it's looking. I have one more track to go, and I kind of just go in rows, you guys. And you kind of know where the tracks are supposed to be because it's based on the, you know, it's based on the length of like your head shape. So obviously the 4-clip is going to cover this much ground. So that's basically it. On to the final track. And I'm actually wearing my hair in a ponytail today. All right, now that all the clips are in, I like to just detangle it, and I don't brush through because the clips are attached to your hair. So if you are too aggressive with it, it'll just rip out your hair. So just try to just grip it and then brush it out like that. Because you don't want to do this and it's like pulling. It's not like a sew-in where, you know, your hair's braided and the weave's just not like gonna do anything. But this is like clipped onto your actual roots. So don't be too rough. And then for the top, I'm gonna do a middle part, of course. This isn't the best comb, but it's all I can find right now. And I'm just going to basically just brush the hair back into a ponytail. That's pretty much it for the hair. And just to top things off, I like to use this coconut oil by OGX. It's just a very weightless oil. You guys always ask me what oils I use to not weigh down my hair. This is the oil that I use, this kind of brand, or any oil that says weightless, lightweight is pretty much good. I love using this. And I put a little bit on the extensions as well, just a little bit. All right, and I'm gonna keep this jewelry on for the day because it's just like my simple work jewelry, very basic. Let's put some of this hair back. I love this look, but then sometimes like it's too much. So I got this lotion in my Ipsy bag, a Hava Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. I got it in my Ipsy bag. I love this color, it's so nice. What is this? But this lotion smells amazing. So I've been using this on my arms just to give me that extra sweet smell. And this is my little perfume collection, you guys. Not glamorous at all. I'm really not into perfume that much, but I got these two from Zara. Guys, that lotion smells so good. Like, you guys have to get it. I don't even know where, but just Google it because it smells amazing. But these are the two perfumes that I like to wear. This one I've been going through, like it's literally almost empty, but I got these from Zara for like $10 each. They're not bad, like they're not terrible. They're not bad, they're really good. And then I do own the Juicy Couture. I had this a long time ago, like late high school, early college, and I love it, but sometimes I think it's too young. But I still love it, I just have to be in the mood. But then I have my Chanel Chance, my Gucci Guilty, my Black Opium, but I think I'm gonna go for this today. Ooh. Then I have a whole drawer here with Bath and Body Works and stuff. Hot mess. But I like to use this pink one just to put on my body because it just cools me down, especially in the summer. So that's pretty much it for, you know, smelling good and all of that. Before anyone says anything, I did shower. I just didn't bring you guys in the shower with me, obviously. Let me show you guys the outfit. This is the outfit for the day. I might have worn this already, but it's all good. But it's just a black t-shirt, and this is from Target. And then I have these black striped pants. These are from, I forget where they're from, but they're so old, you guys. When I first purchased them, they were so big and I was like 115 pounds and they didn't really fit. They still don't fit that well, but now they're wearable because now I'm a lot heavier than that and it kind of fits me now a lot better. So I like this. And usually I would wear like a shirt like this for work or these types of tops. You guys know this, I've already showed them a million times. And then I would wear like a, you know, nice pants, and I have other pants back there for work. I would wear something like this, but I can pretty much wear whatever I want. I don't like work in a corporate office or anything. They dress pretty casual, so I really don't need to do too much unless we have meetings with clients who hire us to decorate their place. Then we kind of have to look like we are professional. But other than that, it's a pretty chill, like I don't have to do too much, which I'm thankful for because I couldn't manage. But yeah, Rothy's is my go-to shoe, especially when I'm in the office all day. I'm gonna be in my cubicle pretty much for the whole day today because I have to do billing and all kinds of stuff, update my spreadsheets with the cost of everything. So yeah, I'm not gonna be seeing anyone really, but I still like it's just cute just because it makes me feel good inside. So I like to do it, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a quick clip of what I usually make for breakfast. I made it the other day. I was gonna put it in a vlog, but I decided to not use the footage, so I'm gonna use it now to show you. So I've decided to wear this like striped quarter sleeve top. This top is from, I want to say Topshop or Zara. I'll check and make sure I put it down below, but I've had it for like 2 years, so I don't think they'll still sell it, but this is what it looks like. And then I'm just wearing these blue jeans from Fashion Nova. They're just like regular high-waisted jeans, but they're kind of like a lighter wash. And then for shoes, I'm not sure yet, but I'm also just going to go make breakfast. Okay, so welcome back. So on days when I'm not really making breakfast, I typically just grab a fruit or just bring a yogurt and some granola to work, which is what I often do because I'm always running late. So I always have fruit no matter what, and I always just grab whichever one, and mangoes always. This one is the ripest one, so I'm gonna use this. Then for yogurt, I only like this one because I hate yogurt. This one tastes like the Trix one from when I was a kid, so I like to eat this one. And then with this granola, I put this in a Ziploc bag. Guys, and you have to eat the seed, okay? Don't be bougie. So, mango, coffee, yogurt, and granola. Oh, and a plum. So, this is my office. Welcome to my office. It's just a cubicle, you guys. You guys are always so pressed, like, show us your job, what do you do? Guys, it's not interesting, I promise. I have my files right there, have a picture of myself, a calendar for projects, little notes and stuff. Hopefully you can't read anything because then I can't upload this footage. Then, you know, extensions for all the employees that are here in this office, and then calendar for my personal stuff. But yeah, this is pretty much it.
So we reached end of the video, guys. Thank you for spending the morning with me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one.